Do you like crafting and giveaways? Well, then this video is for you. My name is Maria, and today we're doing a craft supply giveaway. This is my way of saying thank you to helping me reach almost 10,000 subscribers. I've been having so much fun bringing you ideas to get artsy crafty and decorate your home, from high-end dupes to tablescapes, room makeovers, and crafts for every season. This channel has really helped me grow, and I hope you've learned a little something along the way too. If you're not already part of this creative community, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now because I'm always posting new inspiration. Okay, now on to the giveaway. I have a big box of Gorilla Glue goodies here, and I haven't taken a look yet, so let's see what's inside together. Ooh, the first thing I see is something I need so bad. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know my struggle with my old glue gun, emphasis on old. I've had my old glue gun for probably around 20 years. And well, that says a lot about it because it's still plugging away, but it's definitely time for a new one. As you can see here, my old glue gun is super sad looking next to this new one. My old one has a burnt tip and fuzz stuck all over it and some paint all over it. It's just bad. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Ooh, some fabric glue. I've done a few tutorials with fabric, and I always use the Fabric Fuse iron-on tape or their glue, so I'm curious to see how this one works. Knowing Gorilla Glue, it's super heavy duty. I like that this one is clear and it says it holds in seconds, and fabric is sometimes finicky to work with, so I'm happy about that. Alright, next we have this clear Gorilla Glue. I think I've actually used this in the past, and it is similar to clear Elmer's glue, but a much more strong formula. It says this works on wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass. I like the indoor-outdoor feature because sometimes I do outdoor wreaths for the front door, and even though it is a covered area, I know moisture could get to those decorations, so I like that this is water resistant. Okay, what's next? I've heard about this clear grip. This is similar to E6000, but it looks like it might have a quicker hold. That is the one thing I don't like about E6000, and it's why I always use a hot glue gun along with it, because the hot glue gives the quick hold and the E6000 gives the long-term hold. But if this clear grip Gorilla Glue does both, that would eliminate the hot glue step. So I'm excited to try this one out. Okay, here we have some glue sticks to go with the glue gun. It looks like these are also weather resistant. And well, they look a lot bigger than my other glue sticks for my smaller gun. But the new glue gun has a nozzle that looks like it can be adjusted for a fine flow of glue. So I think it'll be nice having these large glue sticks because I won't have to change them as often. Did you know that Gorilla Glue makes spray adhesive? I don't think I've ever noticed this at the store. And I'm a graphic designer, so back when we used to do mock-ups for presentations, I used a lot of spray mount to get everything glued to the boards. I still use spray mount nowadays, but mostly for crafts, and I usually use Super 77. I'm kind of picky with my spray mount, and I can't have paper edges curling up, so I will be using this on some upcoming projects and showing you how it performs compared to Super 77. Gorilla Glue will be mailing these exact same goodies to one lucky winner, and I've made it super easy to enter. If you've entered my giveaways before, you may be familiar with Gleam. The Gleam site will let you perform various tasks to receive more than one entry, and it'll help you get more chances to win. If you want to see how these Gorilla Glue products perform, I'll be using these supplies in my next few videos where I'll be making some spring themed crafts. I cannot wait to test these crafting supplies out, so make sure to subscribe if you want to see how they work. I'll put that link to enter in the description box below, and the giveaway will go through the end of February. So good luck on that, and stay tuned for those spring crafts next week. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!